First, how about Pluto versus Earth? Let's see what happens. Okay, Pluto just hit the Earth. Seems like there's actually going to be a new planet that is going to form. I was right. As you can see right here, there's a new planet. Here's why it happens. My theory is that the biggest planet had enough mass still to attract enough planets and particles. Well, do you hear that? Do you hear what I said? But here's my theory. I think that the biggest planet had enough mass to attract more planets or particles to make a new planet, which is why a new planet was made during the process. How about Mercury versus Earth? Gonna make it the correct size since, well, it only makes it its own size. So, Mercury versus Earth. I think that was kind of the same. No. Please not that. Warning. Guys, there are ads, so don't get annoyed. I'm still trying to do stuff. I think we need to make Mercury bigger. Like that big. And let's make it collide more on the side. Maybe somewhere like that. Doesn't really work, so I think we're gonna have to make it get that close. Okay. That's too far away. There it is. Mercury hit the Earth. Oh, that doesn't look too good. Don't think we could survive on the Earth anymore. Well, same reason as Pluto.
Some kids are born bookworms. Others need a boost.
Please no, guys. Do not talk about this ad. Anyways, now we need to go to Venus. But since this is about the same size as the Earth, we would need change the amount of vertigo. We should change what planet this is. Well, Earth is bigger than Venus, though, so guess we can still use the Earth. I don't want to use Jupiter, though, because if I did, it would have too many particles, so my game would crash. Look at that impact. Venus just hit the Earth, and it looks like they're about the same size. This looks not good. I can see a collision. I mean, a ton of fire on the back of the Earth near India. Venus that's going to be quite a big planet once but as you can see, Earth has gotten significantly smaller. As you can see, there's not as many particles left. There's not as many particles left on the Earth.
Dreaming of downloading awesome TikTok videos, but those watermarks are ruining the whole picture? Don't worry, we have a magic solution. With our
No, 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 no. Earth versus the same body. 460. Okay, we need a lot of particles, 4,000 particles. So change this. I think this would be good because they're still about the same size. Earth versus Earth. This Earth looks bigger because it is, but because it is also because it is closer, but from here they're pretty much the exact same size. They're about to collide. If you're in Africa, you would see water because, well, Africa is facing towards the ocean of the other Earth. That doesn't look too good. I think we're gonna result in a super Earth. I think we're gonna have a super Earth. The two Earths are gonna merge together. It's gonna be cool to see a different version of the Earth. There is now 2 North Poles, which I actually think is pretty cool. There is 2 Asias and 2 Africas. I think it's pretty cool to see 2 Earths together.
This game has been getting us through quarantine, you guys.
No. No. No, 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 no. Now, I'm still gonna do Jupiter. I'm just going to make it only a little bigger than the Earth because I don't want to break my game. We're always gonna stick with the Earth because it is the classic one. Jupiter has just collided with the Earth. Okay, well, yeah. It's gonna make 2 planets. It's definitely gonna make 2 different planets. As you can see, because right there is a new planet. But now, Jupiter is going to be even bigger because Earth collided with it. So they are going to have merged even more. Now,